I love making smoothie bowls at home. It's all the rage at the moment, and it's really easy to put together, and on top of it, super healthy. So I've frozen some gorgeous fresh berries here. I've got some blackberries and raspberries. You can use any type of berry you like. This goes into a food processor, and to that I'm going to add 1 banana. Now I'm just using a fresh banana because I like how it's going to give it a really creamy finish. And the riper the banana, the better it is because it's going to impart a really nice sweet flavour. So we'll just chop that up. And for some extra sweetness, some maple syrup, just a small amount. A pinch of cinnamon, and to bring it all together, some yogurt. So just some natural yogurt, a few spoonfuls. Now I like to keep some milk on standby, and we're just gonna see how it starts to blend. Now I'm going to blend all of this together. We want this to be a very thick smoothie so it holds nicely in the bowl. Oh, look at this vibrant colour, just what I'm after for a thick, luscious smoothie. So we're going to place this into a bowl, a few generous spoonfuls because this is the base of the bowl. And this is where you can build upon flavours and textures. So I love to use a Nutty Granola for this. This one's fantastic because it's got almonds, pecans and Australian macadamias. And for those who don't like dried fruit, this is the one for you because it doesn't have any dried fruit in it. And I like to just sprinkle that over the top, just on half the side, so we've got the exposure of the gorgeous smoothie, and we can really fill that up with our Nutty Granola. This one's also flavoured with vanilla and maple, so it's just perfect with our berries. To finish it off with some extra goodness, some chia seeds, we'll sprinkle that over the top. And I always like an extra dollop of yoghurt, just on the top there. Some more of those chia seeds. And that is a gorgeous smoothie bowl, packed full of goodness, packed full of flavour, and that texture, which I find super important when you're making a brekkie just like this one.